Cardiff University has a great strength in neuroscience and mental health, and the appointment of Professor Yves Barde means that we're going to be absolutely at the forefront of this research. So we're really delighted that we're able to attract somebody of his stature to come and work with us here at Cardiff.
Yves is really one of the foremost neurobiologists internationally who is at work today. Yves discovered brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a momentous discovery because this secreted protein is essential for survival of nerve cells in the brain and for the whole normal development of the brain. And his recent work has given many pointers to the importance of this factor and deficiencies in this factor and its regulation for many important disease processes. So to have captured this person to come here to Cardiff is really a fantastic thing and has enormous prospects for future excellent work in the School of Biosciences.
Well, Sêr Cymru is a really visionary programme by the Welsh Government to attract the best scientists in the world to Wales. And we at Cardiff are absolutely delighted that we have been able to make the first appointment in the Sêr Cymru initiative. To attract somebody of the stature of Professor Yves Barde is a real coup for us, and it's a real coup for Wales, and it's an absolute vindication of the project that the Welsh Government has initiated in this area.
I think it's very significant because it's based on our science strategy about attracting stars into Wales, which was established by the former Chief Scientific Officer, John Harries, so I think as a government we're internally grateful. It brings expertise that he's got in his field, and he brings it to a department that is also world renowned for the work it's doing in those areas.
What is especially attractive in this program is its sheer size. It will allow me not only to continue doing research more or less along the lines we started in Basel, but also to appoint new and talented scientists. So the idea is to recruit up to 3 highly talented young scientists who will be able to work independently in Cardiff. And this is an unusual set of circumstances, which is why when I heard about this possibility, I accepted it essentially immediately. There is a very interesting and remarkably successful scientific environment at Cardiff University. I've known many people at Cardiff University in the past, and so that the start will be greatly facilitated by the excellence of this science in Cardiff. The kind of projects we'll be following in Cardiff will be centered increasingly in trying to understand the role of this growth factor in various conditions. One of them, which I find particularly intriguing, is the role in depression. Many colleagues have found that for reasons which we would try to understand better, the level of this protein are decreased in depression. And in those cases of depression that can be treated by antidepressant, which, as everybody knows, doesn't work all the time, the levels of this growth factor are restored. And why this should be so is something nobody understands, and we'll try to understand that much better when in Cardiff.
Our direction of travel is to become one of the top 100 universities in the world, and the appointment of Professor Yves Barde is a really key step to achieving that. We already have a good number of world-leading research scientists in this university, and the addition of somebody of the stature of Professor Barde shows that we really are on track to get into the top 100.